Experience the next level of home entertainment with the ULTIMEA Skywave F40.1.2 Channel Dolby Atmos Soundbar system. Before making your purchase, be sure to check the description for the latest price and click the Amazon link at the end. This premium sound system is designed to transform your living room into a true home theater by delivering immersive audio that surrounds you from every direction. The 5.1.2 channel configuration includes powerful up-firing speakers, dedicated rear surround speakers, and a wired subwoofer that work together to create realistic three-dimensional sound. Whether you are watching movies, streaming shows, listening to music, or playing games, every detail becomes clearer and more engaging. Dolby Atmos technology adds height effects that make sounds feel as if they are coming from above, creating a more lifelike listening experience. The advanced SurroundX technology further enhances the audio by building a full 360-degree sound field around the listener. With HDMI eARC support, the system delivers lossless, high-quality audio for richer detail and stronger surround effects. Bluetooth 5.4 provides stable wireless streaming with fast device pairing and low latency performance. Users can also personalize their listening experience through the ULTIMEA app, which offers a 10-band equalizer, surround-level adjustments, 121 preset sound settings, and convenient over-the-air updates. The specially engineered up-firing drivers with neodymium magnets improve sound precision and height performance, helping unlock the full potential of Dolby Atmos content. Combining powerful hardware, smart customization features, and premium surround sound technology, the ULTIMEA Skywave F40 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their TV audio setup and enjoy a more immersive entertainment experience. Check the description for the latest price and click the Amazon link to learn more.